We're here today and we're really excited because we're getting an opportunity to revitalize the student garden, which is one of the central gems of the entire campus. So we're trying to raise $150,000 to reach this goal, and we want to thank you for considering the support of this student garden revitalization.
This project has really turned into something special, guys. We're taking a student garden that has evolved over the years and really reestablishing it into a place of learning for our students to bring our community together.
Because of its central location next to the Grove House, next to the Grove, really close to the dorms, it's a place that the students are always interacting with.
We will be totally clean slating the whole garden, putting in lots of wood chips, new compost, and creating new garden beds.
We keyed on sustainability. We are redoing all the irrigation in this space with drip irrigation to make sure there's no waste in our water systems.
We're going to be really focusing on optimizing our growing space, and we're going to be using as many regenerative and sustainable growing practices as we possibly can.
We're adding a brand new chicken coop to the space, 20 or so chickens coming in. Very excited to announce we're going to have a live chicken cam, 24-hour access to watch our chickens grow.
And if you donate, it can help make sure that these chicks get taken care of.
We just want to also assure that this garden is still the student garden. It's still student run, student driven, student maintained, and students have been part of the process the whole way and will be the ones making the garden happen from now into the future.
It's been such a positive experience working with our student body and collaborating on such a wonderful project, guys. And it's all started with a parent gift, and it's transformed into this community building process. And it's heartwarming to me. I love coming to work and experiencing such positive feedback.
On behalf of the entire Pitzer Student Garden Revitalization team, we want to thank you for your generous support, and we can't wait to have you back on campus. Come grow with us!